Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about interactive whiteboard and block. So let's see the introduction part. Interactive whiteboard it is developed on 1991 and it is gradually became the more popular as the benefits were realized. It allows the teachers to interact with the students and collaborating in the classrooms. The users can manipulate the on-screen display using their hands or the pen. So the what is interactive whiteboard? The interactive whiteboard it is a display that reacts to input from a user from the other digital device. It is a digital device. It is maximum using in the schools and colleges to make the learning interesting, and it also increase the students' interest, and also it helps to develop the collaborative sections. So how are interactive whiteboards used? In the classrooms, interactive whiteboard it is used to display the digital content from a computer onto touch sensitive surface. It allowing the users to interact with the content directly by writing, drawing, highlighting, or manipulating the objects on the screens. So let's see what are the benefits of interactive whiteboard. The interactive whiteboard has many benefits in their using in the classrooms, because whenever you're using the interactive whiteboard in the classrooms, that makes the learning very interesting and more attractive to students. The whiteboard it is gives the teachers as a more efficient way to access and display the students lesson documents, videos, or in this whiteboard it is using to in the classrooms make the learning interesting for the students. And let's see the pros. Students like the interaction, students learn about technology, and the students have the open access to emotional and the games learners. So let's see the what is blog. It is nothing but it is a digital device. It may regularly publish it is using to written the content and post this on a specific topic. Blogs are often written in an informal style. We can using in the classrooms. It also helps to develop the students writing skills. So how can the teachers and students using the blogs? So teachers can using the blogs publish assignments and resources and keep the students even participants. So these all helps to students these all helps to improve the students content learning and writing skills. So advantages of blog. Let's see what are the advantages of blog. Improving writing skills. It also improving the writing skills and fostering critical thinking, encouraging self-expression, developing research ability. Blog it helps to many. It has so many benefits to using in the classrooms. So let's see the conclusion part. So today we are going. Today we had learned about what is interactive whiteboard and what is blog. So that's all about it. Thank you.